Hi everyone, my name's Lee Adams. I'm the co-host of Cosmic Echo and also one of the writers at TAILEATERS.com. And this video series is for people that are interested in discussions about consciousness. It's different than a podcast in that these videos are typically shorter, but also we are talking to just random people about their experiences, or anyone that's interested in sharing their experiences or have a little bit of knowledge to share. Also, we have kind of a round table kind of communication style, so we will have a number of people that will be in a group when they talk, and we'll go around the room and hear people's opinions and just kind of have a typical discussion that you would have over a cup of coffee or something like that, or a couple beers maybe. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe to our channel, and we'll be posting more of those type of videos here shortly. And you can go also into the playlist on the YouTube as well as on the website, and it will there's a link there that will go to discussions, and you can click on that and find more of these discussions that will be released over time. So without further ado, let's get to the discussions.